Good day. There are different reasons why we use contact lenses. We could either use them for cosmetic reasons. In this case, we put on colored contact lenses either to attend a social function or make appearances. Or on the other hand, we could use clear contact lenses to correct our refractive errors. Well, since we wear contact lenses for a variety of reasons, knowing how to put them on expedites and simplifies the process. So today, we are going to delve into how to wear contact lenses properly. For a start, before we have anything to do with our contact lenses, we wash our hands thoroughly. Step 2, we take our contact lenses out of its case and make sure it's not inside out, or you will experience an uncomfortable foreign body or sandy sensation. Step 3, after ensuring that the contact lens is properly positioned, we use the index finger of our other hand to lift up and firmly hold the upper eyelid. Step 4, we now insert the contact lens onto our cornea or conjunctiva, then move the eyes sideways several times so as to center the lenses on the cornea thoroughly. If the contact lens feels comfortable, then we are set to go. But on the other hand, if your eyes feel a bit dry, you can add moisture to your eyes by using a drop or two of the multi-purpose solution in your eyes. If it still feels uncomfortable, then you have to take the contact lenses off. Once again, if you have found this video useful, please go ahead and click the like button so that others can benefit from the video as well, and also subscribe so that you can receive more useful videos like this one. Thank you.